Hi friends. Now I am going to talk about the first part of Natrum Carbonicum from the lectures on homeopathic materia medica by James Tyler Kent. Please subscribe the channel. Let's begin. Natrum Carbonicum, proved by Hahnemann, Herring and others. Persons who are in the habit of taking carbonate of soda for sour stomach get approving of this remedy. I have met some of these people and been able to confirm many natrum symptoms. Old dyspeptics who are always belching and have sour stomach and rheumatism. After 20 years they are stoop-shouldered, pale, sensitive to cold, chilly, aggravated by the least draught, require much clothing, unable to resist the cold or the heat, require a medium climate, are worse from the changes of the weather. Their digestive, rheumatic, and gouty troubles are all worse from the weather changes. Mind. A state of trepidation from the slightest noise, the slam of a door, nervous excitement and palpitation with great prostration, nervous weakness with trepidation, weakness from slight exertion of mind or body, internal and external trembling. The rattling of paper causes palpitation, irritability and melancholy. Estrangement from family and friends. Aversion to mankind and to society, to relatives, to strangers, feels a great division between himself and them, sensitive to certain persons. Music causes a tendency to suicide, melancholy, weeping and trepidation. Playing the piano is so exhausting that she must lie down. Music causes great sadness which increases to religious insanity. This is true of all the odiums, but especially so of natrum carb, aggravation from the slam of a door, a pistol shot, which causes headache and complaints in general, aggravated from music. Digestion. The more soda these patients take, the more flatulent do they become. They are stoop-shouldered, digestion is difficult, and finally milk will not digest at all, bringing on a diarrhea with undigested lenteric stools. Also, starch causes flatulence and looseness of the bowels. Many symptoms from drinking cold water when overheated. Urine offensive like that of a horse, from a vegetable or milk diet. This is not so marked as in nitric acid, but resembles it. Kin. Natrum carb throws out eruptions upon the knuckles and fingertips, also the toes. Vesicular eruptions open up and form ulcers on the joints of finger tips. Borax, apia, arsenic alb, and natrum carb are the remedies most inclined to produce ulceration of the tips and knuckles of the fingers, and also the toes. Vesicular eruptions on the body in patches and circles. The herpes family is especially related to natrum carb, zona, herpes labialis, herpes preputialis, patches as large as $1 on the hips, thighs and back. Molar patches show vesicles containing a white serum, burning, smarting and itching, better from scratching. The eruption passes away with a crust, but will often ulcerate. It does not heal and an ulcer forms. Circulation feeble, wounds suppurate. Feet and skin burn crusty eruptions on the skin that have not been vesicular, but most natrum carb and natrum mur eruptions are of the vesicular form. Tingling, biting, itching, changing place, now here and now there, cold skin, sweaty body. Thanks for watching. Press the red subscribe button and then bell icon to get a notification of next updates.